Sometimes I feel crazy, like angry, crazy, and psycho. And I feel like it's because this dude, this whole situation has, caused me to be consumed by the hatred he's consumed by. But it's, reflected back at him and towards white people rather than, I feel the hatred towards white people as he feels hatred towards black people. Dude. I'm tired of fucking feeling like this, thinking like this. Like, what's the whoa? What's going on in this freaking country, in this world, to where someone can scream racism, racism, racism a million fucking times and no one say nothing and do nothing? Ooh, I don't understand. Does someone have to die for someone to wake up and be like, "Oh, there's a problem over there"? Like the Murdoch murders. It was like multiple people had to die for people to do anything about these corrupt freaking justice system people. God, bro, I'm so tired of this crap. I'm so tired of this system. I'm so tired of racism. I'm tired of living in a world where I have to think about children being bothered by a grown ass dude calling a child a slur. Like, what the fuck, bro? But I'm wrong for using a megaphone, calling the dude a racist piece of shit, telling him to call the cops. I'm wrong for telling somebody what they are. So you imprison me and put me in jail for 90 days. Woo! I'm ready to freaking fire off on y'all, dude. And when I say fire off, I'm ready to bring the Spirit, the Holy Spirit of Christ, into your freaking mind and destroy your soul and send you to the pits of hell, dude. I am intensely infuriated by what's going on in this world. And whoo! And if people don't realize time is short for many of you, I'm trying to stay on a normal plane right now, but I don't want to be normal no more. I want these people destroyed, bro, and I'm a freaking scream about it till it's done.